Have you ever felt like you're just in a constant battle with your own mind? Well, today, we're going to explore a really powerful shift in perspective. It's a way to find calm not by changing the world around you, but by changing your relationship with the world inside you.
I mean, does this feel familiar? You know, that feeling of being tossed around by your own anxiety, your stress, or your fear? It's like you're not even the captain of your own ship anymore. You're just a passenger stuck in a storm you have absolutely no control over.
And think about how this plays out every single day. Some small, totally neutral thing happens. Someone cuts you off in traffic, maybe you get a critical email, and bam, your mind just blows it up into this huge, major incident. This constant cycle is what just completely drains our energy and leaves us feeling exhausted and pretty far from that inner peace we're all looking for.
But what if there was a way to just fundamentally shift that whole perspective? It all starts with a simple but really powerful idea. You are the unchanging sky.
Okay, think of it like this. All those thoughts, your emotions, the physical feelings in your body, they're all just clouds. They show up, they float by, and then they disappear. They're temporary, they're always changing. But you, that core part of you, your awareness, the part that's just noticing all this stuff, you are the sky. The sky is massive, it's constant, and it's totally unaffected by whatever clouds happen to be passing through.
And this is really the heart of it. When a big storm of anxiety or anger rolls in, you don't have to become the storm. You can just remain the sky, that stable, peaceful space that lets the storm do its thing and pass on through. The crucial insight here is that you are not your temporary emotional state.
So understanding this idea is one thing, right? But actually putting it into practice is a whole other ballgame. So how do we actually train ourselves to be the sky instead of the storm? Let's walk through a really practical exercise for finding that inner stillness.
You know, to get a steady mind, that little flame of awareness that doesn't just flicker out with every breeze of thought, we need a really stable foundation. And that foundation, it starts with the body.
All right, here's a simple 4-step practice to connect with that stillness. First, you ground the body. Just find a stable, comfy posture, sitting or standing. This is your anchor. Second, you go on a little bodily pilgrimage. You just gently scan your awareness through your body, from your toes all the way to the top of your head, just noticing whatever's there without judging it. This pulls you right out of your head and into the present moment. Third, you step back. You become the observer, just watching your thoughts float by like clouds. And finally, you invoke peace. Now, this isn't about trying to manufacture a feeling. It's about recognizing the peace that is already your default setting, just hiding underneath all that surface noise.
In this practice, it's not just a 5-minute fix. Think of it as the training ground for a fundamental shift in how you experience your entire life, a shift toward living with a real, lasting peace.
Now, this slide points out a really critical distinction. Most of us are taught to strive for peace, to work for it like it's some prize you have to earn. But that just reinforces this idea that we're somehow lacking or incomplete right now. The alternative is to simply recognize the peace that is already your baseline, just hidden by all the mental chatter. One path is an endless, exhausting climb. The other is simply arriving where you've been all along.
Man, this is such a profound way to put it. Think of your awareness like a movie screen. The screen itself is the substance. It's always there, it's stable, it's clear. Anxiety, fear, stress, that's all just the movie, the temporary stories that play out on the screen. The stories come and go, but the screen is permanent.
Okay, here's where the rubber really meets the road. This is how you apply this in your own self-talk. Just notice the difference. Instead of saying, I am anxious, which basically makes that feeling your entire identity, you shift to, I am aware of an anxious thought. It's such a subtle change in words, but it creates this massive shift in perspective. You go from being the struggler who's trapped in the feeling to being the calm witness who's just observing it.
So, what does all this lead to? What's the real key takeaway that can change how you move through your day? Well, it boils down to this one simple idea: choosing the event over the incident. The goal here is to stop turning every emotional trigger into some dramatic, energy-sucking incident. Instead, with this new awareness, you can start to see them for what they really are, just simple, neutral events that show up and then pass away. This one shift can preserve so much mental energy and allow you to stay centered and calm no matter what clouds are drifting through your sky. And if you ever need a tool for a really difficult moment, here it is. A simple, powerful little mantra. It's a reminder to your mind that, hey, the present storm, just like every single storm that came before it,
is temporary. It will pass. So, as we wrap up, here's a final thought I want you to take with you. You don't have to fight the clouds. You don't have to wish them away. Your only job is to remember that you are the sky. So I'll ask you this. What cloud will you choose to just observe and let pass by today?